Alright, so this is my programming assignment 3. Basically, I'm just going to show how we can manage multiple shopping cart objects real quick. So if I click shop, here's our choose which shopping list. So this is basically managing multiple carts, and I can click new cart. Oh wait, I had breakpoints. Just fixing something, but let's see. Okay, so this is the new cart. So I can add a new cart, and I can do wish list and add that and take that away. And there we go. We have 2 cards now, and now I can go into switch list, and now I can, this is my inventory, and I can just add it. There we go. And then back to dashboard, shop, wish list. It's a completely separate cart. There we go. And now this is the market configuration where you can set the tax rate. So I'll set the tax rate to 7%. And then also let's make select the product and configure it, and I can add it as a BOGO and also a sale of $5. So there's the markdown and the BOGO deal. I'm going to add that as a configuration. And now when I go into my shop, and we can just make a new cart for this. Bam. We can go to it, and now we have product 2 where we added the BOGO deal and the markdown. So original price is $20, on sale $5 less, and it's a BOGO, so I'll just add one. There you go, it's $15 because it's a $5 markdown. And then I can just add it again, and since it's a buy one get one free, the total did not change. And now if you buy a third one, now it's like you have 3, so it's odd, so it's 30. But then if you buy another one, it stays the same. So you have 4 products for the price of 2. And there's the $5 markdown. So let me see real quick. I don't think I clicked change tax rate, but there we go. We'll change the tax rate. So now let me go check the cart. Oh, and there's the tax, which is 5%, and or 7%, whatever I did. And there's the total with the tax, so I just changed the tax rate. And yeah, and then the additional requirement for the honors augment was doing subscriptions, which contains a product amount, frequency, and includes a 5% discount. So manage subscriptions. Here's the inventory. We have 2 products left here. We already bought all these products. Anyways, so I can select this and click add subscription, and I can choose. All right, so we had 2, so I'll just do 2. Or actually I'll do 1, and I'll make it daily. And when I save the subscription, it's 5% discount, and there's a subscription list. And I can show you that it's a subscription list because when I go into view my lists, there's subscriptions right over there. And if I switch into it, there's my product that's coming daily for a 5% discount. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Here, I'll go into the code a little bit. Just a basic rundown, quick rundown. I created a few new view models and views. One for subscriptions view, which shows all your subscriptions, which is this right here. This is your subscriptions view. And then I created the subscription product view, so then I could what is that for actually? Forgot. Oh right, that's when I just add the product as a subscription, so then I can go and set the frequency and the quantity. And then I modified shop view, so now it takes in, let's see, shop view model, the cart subtotal, cart tax, and cart total. I modified the products in cart to be where the cart ID, it's going to get whatever the cart ID is, and that comes from the parameter. So when it's constructed, so when I go to the shop view, shop view is actually like when you switch into the list. I modified it so now when you switch into the list, this is the original shop view, and so when you go into shop, it's going to take you to this new view that I made, which is where is it? Oh, cart selection view. And then cart selection view will pass the cart ID to the shop view, and that's how we know which cart to use, and it's its own unique cart. And then what else? Some key points to hit. This is just basically adding a new cart to my cart view, adding new cart. And then cart selection, view model is for, this is where it passes in the cart ID to the shop. And that's pretty much it. I can go into the subscription a little bit for the honors augment. So for this one, I'm actually passing in the product ID and the subscription cart ID because I want it to, oh yeah, I have my own subscription cart that I made and just made it like automatically called subscriptions, like as a default like constructor. And so I find where that ID is, and basically I pass that subscription cart ID as the cart ID and the product to buy. So product to buy is basically just the product that we'll be like subscribing to, and that's going to be added to the subscription cart just so I can separate it. And I get both the product ID and the cart ID in the sub product view model, which is right over here. I get the cart ID and the product ID, and this is where I get the 5% discount and set the quantity that I want and the frequency so I can display it on the screen for the user. And that's pretty much it. I showed the markdown, the tax rate, the BOGO deal, and the multiple shopping carts, and the honors augment. So that should be it.